Well, it's another age question of daughter and mother. So two conditions are given there, and we are asked their present ages. Can we start? Okay, let's begin. Let present age of daughter Nisha, yes, Nisha, be equal to X years. Okay. If daughter is X, we can also take age of present age of mother and present age of mother Asha be Y years. Because in years, they are saying age in years. And the first condition is straightforward. So we can easily write that equation. Y is equal to square of X plus 2. Let's say this is equation number 1. For second condition, we need to think a little bit because look at the wording. It's saying when Nisha grows to her mother's age. Can you tell me when will that happen? To understand the situation, we will take one example. Suppose Nisha is say 15 years and her mother, let's say 40 years. Now, can you tell me what is after how many years Nisha will be equal to the age of her mother? Well, 15-year-old will grow to 40 after how many years? After 25 years, yes. So 15 plus 25 will give you 40. Well, another way to find this 25 is simply subtract, find the difference between their ages. 40 minus 15, that is 25. So we are talking about this number of years. Well, so that's what we are going to write, use this basic information we are going to use to do this second equation, to get the second equation. So after how many years? We are talking about y minus x, the difference between the ages of mother and daughter. Years, after this many years, what would be age of, because then we want to know at that time, obviously Nisha would be equal to y year, her mother's present age, but how old her mother would be? Her mother would be whatever her mother's age. So age of Asha, we can say whatever her present age is, we will add this many years in this. Did you understand this? If you understand this, question is done. This was the main part here because we were talking about, I mean, we were relating these variables when um age of Asha was y plus y minus x. That means 2y minus x years. 2y minus x years. Okay. So then they are saying when Nisha grows to her mother's age, Asha's age would be, I mean, Asha's age means this would be 1 year less than 10 times the present age of Nisha. So can we write equation for that? Okay. Then you can say 2y minus x. Second equation is 2y minus x would be 10 times Nisha's present age, which is 10 times x, and 1 year less. 1 year less means minus 1. Okay, can we get equation in y and x now? 2y is equal to 11x minus 1. That means we can say y is equal to 11x minus 1 by 2. Let's say this is equation number 2. Now from 1 and 2, can we equate values of y? Yes, that will give us a quadratic equation in x. We can simplify it to get x, and once x is known, we can get y. All right, so we are going to do that. We will say this y over here is same, this y is same as this y. All right, let's go. X squared plus 2 is equal to 11x minus 1 by 2. We're saying x squared plus 2, x squared plus 2 equal to 11x minus 1 divided by 2. Cross multiply, or you can also multiply whole equation by 2. It's your choice. So if you cross multiply, 2 times x squared plus 2 is equal to 11x minus 1. That means 2x squared plus 4 is equal to 11x minus 1. Okay, we get this quadratic equation, 2x squared plus 11x. And okay, is that minus 11x? Because we are transposing this to left hand side. Minus 11x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now splitting middle term, we would factorize. This should be 2x squared minus 10x minus x plus 5. Adding negative 11 and multiplying positive 10. So minus 10 and minus 1. We get 2x common, x minus 5. This was equal to 0, right? And then minus 1 common, x minus 5 equal to 0. That will give you x minus 5 in one bracket, and then 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So let's solve this quadratic. Product of the two factors is 0. That means either x minus 5 is equal to 0, or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. This gives you x is equal to 5 or x is equal to 1/2. Both are possible because age of Nisha can be 5 years also and 1/2 also. Now we'll take both one by one. Now if x is equal to 5, x is equal to 5, then y would be what? We had the first equation, y was x squared plus 2. So that is 5 squared plus 2, 25 plus 2, that is 27. So we get one of the answer is age of daughter is 5 years and age of mother Asha is 27 years. This is one of the answer. We can get other answer also when x is equal to half. So let's do it in next page. Now x is equal to half means y is equal to x squared plus 2, 1 by 2 is squared plus 2, 1 by 4 plus 2. That is 2 and a quarter. 2 and a quarter. Now see, 2 and a quarter, and what was y? Y was age of mother Asha. So mother's age cannot be 2.5 years. No, it's logically not possible. So simply you will write not possible. This answer is not possible because age of mother cannot be 2.5 years. That means the other answer when we were getting, therefore we have only one answer, that is x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 27. In other terms, we can say age of Nisha, or they're asking the present age, no? So let's write present age. Therefore, finally concluding our answer, therefore present age of Nisha. We must conclude our answer. Starting and finish should be well written. 5 years and present age of Asha. Asha is, it was x squared plus 2, no? 27. We have got up there, 27 years. All right. So we would like to I mean, this is the question is done, but I would like you to just check it by means verifying with the question that is your answer satisfying the question. Let's see. If I take x is equal to 5 and means Nisha's age as 5 years and mother's age as 27 years, what happens? The first condition says uh, Asha's age, which is 27, is equal to 2 more than square of daughter. Daughter is 5 and 2 more means plus 2. That is 25 plus 2. Well, first condition is satisfied. 27 equal to 27. That is, first condition is correct. And we'll see the second condition now. When Nisha grows to her mother's age. Look, Nisha is 5 years now. Her mother is 27 years. And then the difference between these two ages is 22 years. Means we are talking about 22-year later. After 22 years. What would be the age of Asha after 22 years? She is right now 27. So this thing all is rough work. 27 plus 22 will be 9 and 4. She will be 49 years of age, right? Means Nisha's age will be 49. Nisha's mother's age will be 49 years after 22 years. Now, is it satisfying this condition? He's saying it would be 1 less than 10 times the present age of Nisha. So present of Nisha is 5 years. So 10 times 5 less 1, that means 50 minus 1. That also we get 49. Wow, both conditions are satisfied, means 100%. Your answer is right. I would recommend while you're watching this video, definitely write it, right? Whatever is being written on the screen, you should also write in some rough page or somewhere in answer sheet, because writing makes learning 10 times better than otherwise. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. And in the end, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with at least 4 of your friends. See you in next video. Bye-bye.